Hello everyone, my name is Nuala McGuinn. I'm Director at the Centre for Adult Learning and Professional Development at NUI Galway. And over the course of this short presentation, I'd like to give you some information on the array of professional, part-time and evening courses that we have on offer at the university. At the Centre, we work with adult learners, busy professionals who wish to upskill and wrap study around their work and family lives and who want to study at their own pace. So if you want to upskill for personal or professional development reasons, we have a course for you. So let me share my screen with you, tell you a little bit about the array of courses that we have on offer. So just to start with, I've just listed some questions that I get asked a lot when I attend information evenings and meet prospective students. Students really want to know what are the type of courses we have on offer, how are they delivered, what's the cost, how can I apply, who can I talk to for further information. So I hope over the course of this short presentation that you will get some information and tips on where to go. So our course choices fall into 8 programme areas. We offer courses in business and management, science and technology studies, arts and the social sciences, in training and education. We offer an array of languages, community education, early childhood studies and play therapy. We also offer courses in information technology and in health promotion, and we offer an attractive range of short, non-accredited courses, which you can take for personal interest. Our courses are designed to focus on your continuing professional and personal development needs. We provide an innovative curriculum, array and a range of teaching methods, varying types of assessment and flexible learning pathways, which you can take in order to progress your studies. And to find out more about the courses on offer within each of these programme areas, I'd advise you to take a look at the website where you'll find further information on the different programmes that are on offer in each area, and also the information on the career pathways that are available to you. And over the course of the next few slides, I'll give you some tips about how you can maybe navigate those course pages and find out the correct information that you need. So at NUI Galway, we offer a number of flexible learning pathways. At undergraduate level, our degrees are structured on a step-by-step basis. So you can complete year 1 and obtain a certificate award. On completion of year 2, a diploma or a degree, and then at the end of years 3 and 4, the full degree. And these flexible learning pathways are ideal for students who may wish to enter or exit the course at various stages. Similarly, our postgraduate courses offer 1-year certificates, a second year leading to a postgraduate diploma, and the option to continue to a master's level in the 3rd year. Our special purpose diploma awards are offered at level 8 and 9 of the National Qualifications Framework. So these diplomas, such as lean and quality systems, change management, and others, are industry focused and enable students to develop their professional skills and apply their learning immediately to the workplace. CPD modules or continuing professional development modules are available on a standalone basis for students wishing to take a single course for the purpose of upskilling for work or to maintain their professional accreditation. And these modules can be available in online, blended learning or classroom-based mode. And students often ask, well, how much time should I dedicate to study? And it's a very real question to ask. We're all very busy. So this will depend on whether you're undertaking a single module, a diploma or a degree. So if you're undertaking a degree or a diploma, you should be prepared to dedicate between 10 and 15 hours a week to your study. Now, this may seem like a lot, and it is, but in order to give yourself the best chance to succeed, you will need to set expectations and allocate time to your studies. Our teaching approach is through a combination of blended and online learning. So what type of student experience should you expect if you come to NUI Galway? Well, over the past year, we've moved a number of our courses to a fully online teaching mode. For example, our courses in technology enhanced learning, change management and automation and control are now fully online. So in a fully online course, you should expect to get all your course content online through the university's virtual learning environment, which is called Blackboard. And your content will be presented in a self-instructional format. It'll be clearly laid out in terms of module overview. It'll be divided into units or topics, and it will be made easy for you to navigate as a student through the course materials. Now, you'll also access your content in other formats, such as videos and perhaps podcasts. So some modules will have live webinars where you can interact with your fellow classmates and module lecture in real time. And readings will be assigned per topic, and you may also be asked to participate in moderated discussion forums, which you can complete in your own time. And there may be some opportunities to assess your learning through reflective learning journals or practice blogs. And other courses are delivered through the blended learning model. So in this mode, you'll receive your course content online in a similar way to the fully online course, but you will always also have an opportunity to come to campus for a seminar or a workshop at some stage each semester as part of your course. And this year, due to the ongoing challenges posed by COVID-19, for semester 1 of the 21-22 academic year, we've decided that only the core elements of the blended learning courses will take place on campus. So this will include some lab sessions or classes with an experiential component, such as maybe teaching practice. And during semester 2, our plan is to move more on site and to have opportunities to teach in classes where students and staff have an opportunity to meet with each other. So assessment types will vary across courses. For example, you may be graded on continuous assessment essays or projects, which you can complete during the course of the module. Your participation in the discussion boards may be graded too, and you may undertake a group project with your fellow students or may have a written examination at the end of a module. It really will depend on the particular modules you are undertaking. But whatever mode of assessment or combination of assessments that are used, you'll be always informed of those at the start of the module, and you'll be well prepared to complete all the requirements with the support of your lecturer. So moving on then, and looking at some other aspects, professional transferable skills. So our courses provide you with the technical content to master the subject area, but we also focus on developing students' professional transferable skills. So these are graduate attributes for personal and professional development, which enhance your skills for the workplace. So these include things like problem solving, critical thinking, oral and written communication skills, which are actively practiced and explicitly assessed through the various learning activities across all of the modules. So for example, in our project modules, students are required to apply their knowledge using real-world scenarios and engage in real discussion topics with students and tutors to facilitate truly transformative learning. And there's a strong emphasis on practical skills and work-based learning through groups and virtual teams, which encourage critical thinking, networking, and teamwork amongst students. So all our learning activities facilitate the exchange of real business information and practice. So for some students, starting a degree or a certificate program is just that little bit too soon for them. And if that's you, then we have other opportunities for you to taste our courses at a level which suits you. So we run some access and foundation programs, and you can choose to undertake a foundation course in business, arts, or engineering or science at NUI Galway. And these are one-year foundation courses, which are an excellent way to sample the subject area and build valuable study skills, which will help you make an informed choice going forward. You also have the option of taking a standalone module or a micro-credential, which is a small, bite-sized chunk of learning, providing you with a very specific skill set to start you on your learning journey. And we also provide non-credit short courses over a period of 8 weeks, which you can use to study a language, maybe enjoy literature and poetry, or study history. And you'll meet people with the passion for that subject area. There'll be like-minded people that you can discuss your ideas with. We also recognise prior learning of students through the Recognition of Prior Learning Pathway, or RPL. RPL is a process that allows you to gain admission to a program of study or to gain exemptions or credit from some part of a course, but based on demonstrated learning that you may have achieved through another course of study or experientially through the workplace. Students who have obtained their qualification outside Ireland are also eligible for entry to our courses, and we establish equivalences of study by using standards such as NARIC Ireland, and NARIC represents National Academic Recognition Information Centre. So let's talk a little bit about making your application. You've done all the research, you've found the right course for you. You've checked the entry requirements and you're suitable, so that's great. Then you go to make your application online through our online portal, and I've given you the web address on the slide. With the online portal, you create your account, you select the course that you wish to study, and you fill out all the relevant details. Make sure then to upload the correct supporting documentation, and this will be outlined on the course pages. Applications are open now, and we're taking applications over the next number of months. We have rolling offer dates. Every 3 to 6 weeks offers are made. And then our usual closing date is at the end of August, but that can vary across courses. So make sure you check the programme webpage for the actual date of closing. And remember, some courses fill up early, so early application is always advised. Another key question is around fees and funding. All the fees for our courses are listed on the web pages, but there are some opportunities for funded courses. So for example, Springboard Plus and SkillNet offer subsidised places for relevant candidates and for courses that have been chosen to be included in those subsidies. So take a look and see if your course is listed as one of those. We have scholarships for students who are in receipt of certain payments from the Department of Social Protection. Again, these are listed on our website. And then there are opportunities through UVarsity, the 30% scholarship, and the 1916 scholarships for people who are in certain categories and may be eligible for a subsidised, or in some cases, a free place. And information is also available on our website in regards to those opportunities. And finally, we're all working from home at the moment, but we are available to answer any of your queries. So I would encourage you to contact us. You have the phone number of the programme coordinator available on the website, and you also have our email addresses. I would encourage you to reach out and contact us for whatever query you have, or if you'd like to speak to somebody in person, make that connection and we will set up a time to speak with you. We look forward to welcoming you to NUI Galway this September. We hope you've enjoyed this array of programmes that I've provided today, and please take a look at our web pages for further information. Thank you very much.